So we're in Festivalscribe with hundreds of activities that you can now access. We've talked about how to search, and now we're going to look at how you actually can assign an activity to one of your students. So let's look at this Deborah Abella. So I am actually going to set this activity for my students by simply pressing this button up the top here. And what you will have done is sent us your student list. If you haven't, just send it and we set it up for you. And that means we've created an individual account for each student so you can see their individual response. There's another video on that. We'll just leave it that we've got that video, that information from you. And let's see what we do now. You've got all your student names here. You can tick this and assign it to every single student. Or you can just say, no, I actually only want to send it to one or two people. And I'm sending here the Deborah Abella particular session. And I simply set the activity. And you can see I've got that green section up here that said that's successfully been sent to my students. And they will have those activities in the inbox ready for them to respond to.